Peace, and thank you for checking in. Today we're going to go over sampling with your iPhone because a lot of people have been asking me, can you sample into the SP404 MK2 with your iPhone? And I don't see why not, as long as you got the right wire. So I went ahead and bought this. I'll leave the link down below in the description. I don't know if it works. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to see together. This is basically all we have. Now I have one of my drum loops here that I've made in Audio Share. So I'm just going to sample that in. So I'm going to plug the lightning part into the phone and these two in the back in the inserts. Push external source, play. Nice. You see it picking up in the mixer. All right, now that we know that works, I'm gonna go shift, input settings, external source, change the BPM because I know the BPM, so I'm just gonna set it now. See, this is my problem. This is like one of my only problems. You can't just turn the knob and have the shit done easy. Anyway, shift is fine-tuned when you're in this. You could shift and finally scroll down, whatever. That's something they need to fix though. I just want to be able to change my BPM with the knob without having to skip past 88. Shift, tap tempo, 88, exit, record. I'm going to select pad 1. And now you're sampling from your iPhone. There's your sample. So yes, as long as you got the right wiring and connections to whatever phone you have, you can sample in with the inserts. When I have 4 or more people ask me the same question, I'll just drop a video to show people because I know it's something everyone wants to know. So being that this SP is very mobile and you could just hook it to your iPad or your battery to power it up, I could see why people would want to sample with their phone. And another question a lot of people have been asking me, will your phone power the SP? No, your phone is not going to have enough power to power it up like the iPad would. The newer iPads, the 2018s and up, power this up with no problem. But no, your phone does not have enough power. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe and check out WeSampleEverything.com. We appreciate all the love. Peace.